The old pound dollar, as I mentioned earlier a week, I was long, and good news is from me, it hit profits. That's 147 pips, risking 25. Happy days. So that's good. So as I mentioned, I took my profit at this 13400 level just to make sure I got out before price. I wanted to sell my position to people that were buying up the price. Now, as you can see, this was the other supply zone that I was looking at on the 1 hour, and you can see price has pushed right into it. Now, let's drop down to the 1 hour. As you'll see, we've got this nice rally-based drop demand zone. Now, being the eager beaver that I was, I should have waited, but I was like, well, let's have a look how prices react. And I saw this initial drop, and I've got to be honest, my entry ain't the best. It's at 1.30347. I'll just put that in. Just I'd say a quick trade. It's going in for again just to bounce off of this really. Entry price, what we're saying, 130. Oh, 3347. 3347. There we go. Stop on this one is at 37.9. TP is going to be at 29,600. Right, 29,600. So we've got on this one just barely a 2 to 1. And again, you can see because of I was 10 pips above the top of this zone, and my entry is pretty shit, let's be fair. If I had waited or just looked at the 15-minute, what I should have really considered is that at the extremes of this supply zone, we have got this bullish engulfing candle, which has been broken, and that's where price, you've got this rally-based drop, where price has gone completely through. So if I just put in, well, you don't even need to put in, look, you can see price has pushed right to the top of this zone. So if I had entered there, I probably could have got, what, 5 pips before that, 30.55, maybe 15 pips better entry than what I'm in. Would have added to the risk reward. But the reason for the take profit is this drop base rally zone. So again, this is just above. Well, let's just move this 29,600. Where are we going? 29,600. Yeah, 29,600 is sort of back down at this drop base rally. That was the bullish engulfing that was broken. So the main thing to take away from the first trade I took, it was I didn't move my stop. I stuck to my analysis because, as I highlighted here, because of this bearish momentum down. And again, it's a bit clearer here on, we've got this drop base rally on the 4 hour. So if I get stopped, I get stopped. But I'm expecting, because of this bullish momentum, again, it does offer little resistance just to come back. We've broken this. It might signal to, more buyers, right, let's get back in down here. And then again, you've got this big fat profit margin here. So given that Friday is tomorrow, I don't really want to be holding any trades over the weekend. So we'll see how it plays out. If I get stopped, I get stopped. If not, I may close the trade before the weekend, as I just don't want to have it gap open, and then I can take a fresh look at the chart on Monday. So there we go, 147 pips up. Currently 20 pips drawdown on the current short, but it is what it is. And we'll see what happens.